Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was going to quickly clean out this outside fridge and freezer, and then I discovered things were alive inside. So if you're squeamish, just click off the video. There are maggots in here. The backstory is we unplugged this outside fridge freezer when we went to Texas, so it's been unplugged for about 10 days or so, I think. We also live in Arizona. It's currently 102-ish degrees outside.
What is that?
They're moving. It's gross. So we need to thoroughly clean this before we plug it back in and put our food inside of it. So let me turn this around and show you the disgustingness. So I think these are dead, these ones that are stuck here, but it's all over everything. Even up here, there's for sure mold. And let's get a nice close-up. I'm just zooming you in. I'm not getting anywhere near this. I'm gonna try and stand as still as I can. That's not working out very well. Can you see them moving in there? Yeah, that's disgusting. That is absolutely revolting. I cannot believe that that happened while we were gone. There's definitely more mold in here. This was not very clean per se before we left. Can you see the fuzz on this thing right here? The fuzz? Ooh, and it stinks in here so bad too. Now we got this fridge freezer combo probably 5-ish years ago, and it was already like used. And now, you know, us using it and keeping it outside, it's just filthy. Luckily, the fridge is not that bad. I actually cleaned this out recently and I shared before and after pictures on my Instagram. I don't see any signs of life in here. It also smells weird. But we're gonna clean everything out anyway. Oh wait, there's like gnats. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. There's some gnats running around down there. Yep. So we are going to tackle this. I was not planning on filming this until I saw that. So wish me luck.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it up to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
So if you're unaware, for Method Antibac, it says that you have to let it sit for 10 minutes for it to actually disinfect. So that's what I'm gonna do, is leave it and come back in just a little bit. And I'm already drenched in sweat. It's great.
I found a miracle, I found the dream. fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 I know the world can be a crazy place sometimes.
Know that I am here beside you.
We can leave tonight, leave it all behind.
Love is all brand.
If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I got you. You should know. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 Got you. Baby, you should know I got you.
I'm literally sweating in my gloves and I have sweat running down my arm. This is disgusting. What a great day to be outside.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show.
So we have some progress here. Haven't started any of this. I think I'm going to try to re-wipe out this whole thing just to make sure everything's gone. There's like some little like black things that like I don't know how I'm going to get them out of there. This is also done. Not sure what the blue stuff is. Won't come off. But it looks a lot better. And I didn't start this yet either. But I took all the pieces out that I could. I couldn't figure out how to get this out. I know there's a second thing that you could adjust it to, but like, I don't know, I couldn't figure it out. So everything else is over soaking with water. Over here on the side, some things needed to like soak a little bit. That doesn't have water, but it's still disgusting. But those had some mold in the bottom of them, so I just wanted to spray them off. So I'm also gonna wipe everything off again and again and again and again and again and again and again.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust. Moving on when everything's gone, it's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy. Don't even know.
Okay, so everything is super wiped out now, like wet and dry, wet and dry, wet and dry. I was spraying that water, I was respraying some of the anti-bac, and then I was also using Clorox wipes. I have music playing in the background, but this is all done now too. So all I need to do is go and clean all of the like insert pieces, but this is much better. Some of that is like stained and will not come off no matter how much I scrub, but again, it's clean, it's disinfected, and it's much better than where we started.
Holding on when everything's gone, I gotta be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough, hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. I fail to see right in front of me. There's a way I know. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough, hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy. Touch, can't seem to get enough.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing up my gloves and knees. My back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down the slope. I gotta strike a
Well, all right, kids, this is finished. Finally, I did most of the cleaning of those things off camera just because it was taking me a really long time and I was worried about me splashing the camera with the hose. So this was where the maggots were before, all clean, and I used a ton of Clorox wipes, a ton of the Method Anti-Bac, a lot of water, paper towels, the hose obviously as well to clean things. So it's not perfect, you know, like I said at the beginning, this is old, it was used already, we've had it for a long time. And if you're not from Arizona, or maybe you have this where you are too, most of us put our extra fridge, freezer either on our back porch or in our garage. We're a family of 5, so we need the extra space, and this is where it is. So everything, like I said, is clean. It doesn't smell weird anymore, and it looks much, much better. Now, like, the outside might not look pretty, but all I care about really is the inside. Maybe I'll come back and do the outside some other time, but it's dinner time. I've been out here for almost 3 hours. I'm sweaty, I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I just want to be done. The only other thing that I did not film either was me wiping all these down with Clorox wipes and then spraying them off with a hose, because Most of these bottles also had like dry, dead maggots on them because they were left in the freezer. Not that we're even big drinkers, it looks like it, but these have been in here for years and years. I look wonderful. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. That is everything that I have for you today. Hopefully this gave you some motivation to go clean out your own fridge, inside or outside, or tackle something. I already took a shower this morning. I even washed my hair and everything. Now I need to go do that again after dinner. So that's fun. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. The links are in the description. If you want to just click it, it'll take you right there. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!